Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 20th August 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 20th August 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, the Indian government has set a target of zero road mortality till dash. Answer is 2030. Next, students from which university have recently developed an electronic mask? Answer is Jadavpur University. Narendra Modi has recently become the dash dash longest serving Prime Minister of India. Answer is fourth. Name the actor who has become the only Indian actor included in Forbes top 10 world's largest paid actors. Answer is Akshay Kumar. Fifth question was, who among the following has recently launched an indigenization portal, Srijan? Answer is Rajnath Singh. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Mauritania recently? Answer is Mohammed Ould Bilal. Which of the following banks has recently launched a special card named Shaurya KGC card for armed forces? Answer is HDFC Bank. Next question was, with which of the following nations recently India has signed an agreement on space cooperation? Answer is Nigeria. Ninth question was, which of the following banks has introduced a new mechanism known as positive pay? Answer is RBI. And last question was, who among the following has recently unveiled the e-version of the book titled Connecting, Communicating, Changing? Answer is Prakash Javadekar. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which Indian cricketer has been recommended for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award by National Sports Award Committee? Answer is option number 3, Rohit Sharma. Recently, the National Sports Committee has recommended the names of cricketer Rohit Sharma, table tennis champion Manika Batra, Paralympian Mariappan Thangvelu and wrestler Vinesh Phogat for the prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award this year. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sporting honor of the Republic of India. The award is named after Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India. It is given to players for their spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years at international level. This award was established in 1991-92. It was first given to Vishwanathan Anand in 1991. Answer will be option number 3, Rohit Sharma. Next question, when will the first ever World Solar Technology Summit be held? Answer is option number 2, September 8th. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi will be inaugurating the first ever World Solar Technology Summit on September 8, 2020. The summit is being organized by the International Solar Alliance, that is ISA, on a virtual platform. Answer will be option number 2. Next question, who has been appointed as the new governor of Meghalaya? Answer is option number 1, Satyapal Malik. Satyapal Malik was the governor of Goa and recently he has been appointed as the new governor of Meghalaya, replacing Tathagat Roy, who completed his tenure, and Maharashtra governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari has been given the additional charge of Goa. Answer will be option number 1, Satyapal Malik. Next question, which institute ranked first in the list of top innovative educational institutes in India? Answer is option number 2, IIT Madras. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras has retained its top rank in the list of top innovative educational institutes in the India for the second consecutive year. This institute was ranked number 1 in the Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements released by the Vice President of India Venkaiah Naidu in a virtual event on August 18, 2020. Answer will be option number 2, IIT Madras. Next question, how many Indian villages will be connected with optical fiber in next 1000 days? Answer is option number 2, 6 lakhs. In order to boost mobile and broadband communication between mainland India and the group of islands situated on the southwestern coast of India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has set a target of 1000 days to provide submarine optical fiber connectivity to connect Lakshadweep with mainland. The Department of Telecommunication under the Ministry of Communication will oversee the project. Also, in the upcoming 1000 days, nearly 6 lakh Indian villages will be connected with the optical fiber. Answer will be option number 2, 6 lakhs. Next question, who heads the committee formed by the central government to consider the minimum age for marriage for women? Answer is option number 2, Jaya Jetli. The central government has set up a committee chaired by Jaya Jetli to reconsider the minimum age for marriage for women. The government is focused towards equal opportunities for self-employment and employment of the women. Answer will be option number 2, Jaya Jetli. Next question, who is the author of the book titled our only home, a climate appeal to the world? Answer is option number 1, Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama is the Tibetan spiritual leader and he is the author of the book titled Our Only Home, a Climate Appeal to the World. Answer will be option number 1. Next question, who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Uzbekistan? Answer is option number 1, Manish Prabhat. Manish Prabhat is the IFS officer of 1996 batch and recently he has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Uzbekistan. Answer will be option number 1, Manish Prabhat. Uzbekistan, look it up. This is Uzbekistan. Capital is Tashkent. President is Shavkat Mirziyoyev. Prime Minister is Abdullah Aripov and currency of Uzbekistan is Uzbek Som. Next question, the book Corona Kavita Kal, which has been recently published by Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga, has been written by dash. Answer is option number 1, P.S. Sridharan Pillai. P.S. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Mizoram and recently the book which has been published by Mizoram CM Zoramthanga called Corona Kavital has been written by P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Answer will be option number 1. Next question, which of the following state government has recently launched Elo Chain platform? Answer is option number 2, Nagaland. Recently, Chief Minister of Nagaland has launched Elo Chain, a centralized e-commerce system to provide people of the state integrated platform to build sustainable businesses either in products or services from their own locations for sustainable economic activities. Elo Chain will act as the integrated platform for the people of the state where any seller or service provider, individual or group can register themselves and upload their products, trades, skills, services, etc. to enable the citizens or buyers to have access to their services or products. Answer will be option number 3, Nagaland. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which state planned to develop India's first snow leopard conservation center? Answer is option number 3, Uttarakhand. Recently, Uttarakhand state government has planned to set up India's first snow leopard conservation center in Uttarakhand. It will be built by the Uttarakhand Forest Department along with the United Nations Development Program, that is UNDP, as a part of its 6-year-long project securing livelihoods, conservation, sustainable use and restoration of the high-range Himalayan ecosystems. Answer will be option number 3, Uttarakhand. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Lung Cancer Day? Options are 10th August, 1st August, 4th August and 7th August. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below or we'll discuss the question in the next video.